Hello guys. Right now I would like to show you one very high quality machine. This is our Japan 1000. We produce this machine from few years, and in every country we are selling a lot of machines like this. Why we sell a lot and why this quality is very higher? Because in this machine we are using really very high quality spare parts, like engine. This is a Kubota engine, like a driver motor. You can see this is a safe driver motor. This is Eaton from USA, and everything you can see here is very stable. It's very good quality. This machine have many functions, like extending rubber tracks, like movable arm, and this machine you can use in different job. This is 1 ton machine with Kubota engine. This is very beautiful, but the most important thing is that this is very higher quality machine. In this machine you can use many different attachments, like different buckets, rake, quick connectors, augers, hammers. So this machine really can work for different jobs. So very nice to use it in different jobs. And one more thing, in this machine we have 2 speeds. It's a low speed driving speed, two speeds. It's a low speed and very faster speed. So you can see this is looking excellent. Günter Grossmann, Japan 1000. Many machines we are selling in Europe, in different countries in European Union. So you can find it also in our dealers in every country. Japan 1000, please remember it. This is from Günter Grossmann. Thank you very much, and you are welcome.